Welcome to Matrix Academy for Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss FILEDIA command. If you are facing a trouble in AutoCAD, that is open and save dialog box is not appearing while you are trying to open a drawing or trying to save as a drawing, you can use a command FILEDIA. I am going to open a drawing. You can see that a dialog box did not appear. Instead of that, AutoCAD command appears asking you to type the file name you want to open manually. Same way, I'm going to save as a drawing. You can see here also the command is asking you to select the format of the drawing and manually type the path of the drawing instead of getting the dialog box. In case you want to change back to getting the dialog box, you have to type the command FILEDIA and enter the value 1 and press enter key. And then try to open a drawing. You can see that the dialog box appears. Same as try to save as a drawing. You can see that the dialog box appears. Hope that you all understood the use of the FILEDIA command. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.